There aren't enough watch faces in Mi Fit app store for Mi Band 6. So let's see how can we install custom Mi Band watch faces externally, work around Mi Fit app and install custom watch faces from amazfit site. To download the watch face from this site, let's download the watch face that you like and also save the image, because it's gonna get more confusing after you have a lot of watch faces on the store locally. Navigate to Android, to data, and search for com.xiaomi.html files and go for local scheme. You can see already I have all these watch faces customly installed that I've installed before. So we are gonna make a copy of this. We are gonna make Mi Fit app think that this is a watch face downloaded from their store. So we are gonna rename the file slightly different from the original one. Then replace the bin file and png file. It with the downloaded ones. Just gonna copy and paste. So as you can see, if you navigate to Mi Fit app, as you navigate to Mi Fit store, you can see our band display that we installed from the amazfit is seen here. So just sync the watch faces. Your Mi Band will get in sync with the app. You can see it is now fully synced and functioning very well than other third-party apps.